Okay, so this is about the PMA. I know you're not here to buy the PMA, you're buying some other stuff, but I'm gonna go grab it just so we know what we are talking about. So you came and bought some other things because you were telling me, yeah, well, I trust you because you recommended this PMA for my wife a while back and it worked. And then you're telling me that you're dealing drugs now by buying it and giving it to people you care about.
My coworkers, yes.
So now let's have some other people hopefully watching this video learn what it did for you and for your coworkers. So here's a product, and now you just tell me basically what you were saying a minute ago.
It helps me relax. It helps with anxiety, helps you sleep a little bit better. Overall, my family could adjust to this. It helped my whole overall attitude.
Your mood.
With stuff. My mood, yes.
And you have something to add to that? Is that true?
No, it has worked very well for her. I remember when I came in and talked to you about it, you recommended it, and I took it home. She tried it, and it's been great ever since.
Yeah.
I still take it.
Well, it's called PMA, positive mental attitude, for a reason, and it does help most people.
It does
And you
help.
take 1 or 2 capsules a day?
Two.
2, okay. Well, thank you so much. I hope other people benefit from this
Yes.
video.